My ChatGPT here. Create an onboarding flow for faster drivers, new hires, such as software engineers, sales team, and marketing and assistants.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah. Properly.
All right.
Okay, man. So track the assistance apps onboarding. This should have been a lot. So yeah, I'm just creating the onboarding flow so that way we have it down on paper.
Mm-hmm.
So and then we can kind of go through it a little bit at a later date, but I wanted to at least have it created. And there, I left the prompt I used to make it up there too, so you can just see the prompts that I used.
Mm-hmm.
So the core idea: company, every new hire gets company onboarding, role track, 30, 60, 90 scoreboard, shadow or do it. Well, they get shadowed first, then they do it with supervision, and then they have their own sort of progression. So day 0, we just pretty give them access. We pretty much give them access and context in like a 1-hour meeting, showing them all of the accounts that they'll need to pretty much set up and get access to, such as GitHub, Railway Stripe, if they're engineers, email, Google folders, Google documents, etc. Probably need to create this folder right here,
Mm-hmm.
single HQ folder, which has like onboarding documents, SOPs, templates, scoreboards, information about the company, etc. So we can start organizing this, and I'll help you sort of put it together. Then give them a one-page faster drivers in 10 minutes doc. I'm not sure if we have one of these already, but we could probably repurpose like the roadmap or one of our documents to kind of translate it more into faster drivers in 10 minutes. I was actually looking for something like this when I was filling out the information about faster drivers
Yeah.
for context. And so, yeah, it'll be helpful to have something like this where you can find information about what exactly we're trying to do here, our story, and where we're going with this, right? Where we're trying to take this in like 10 minutes. So, who we serve, our offer, current stage, and non-negotiable speed, documentation, no drama. So we'll probably get together and put these two things together. Um, and then day 1, how we work. So getting them involved in our meetings,
Mm-hmm.
definition of done. So making sure they understand what's expected of them, depending on what team they're on. So yeah, so it just kind of lays out how we kind of onboard. So I think this will be good for us. So yeah, even for me, like this one here, for set software engineers, it tells you exactly how to onboard. So day 1, set up dev environment, for a doc arc. So it's pretty straightforward. Sales team can pitch faster drivers clearly in under 30 seconds, can run outreach and follow-ups without supervision, can move restaurants from lead to sign activated. So, yeah, I think this is, what do you think about this?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to look. I'm there. I don't see it. Have you saved it? Saved?
Let me see. Can you see the card?
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Now I see it.
All right, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking at in more detail. And I'm just gonna even copy it and ask ChatGPT to explain it to me as if I'm, well, as a 10-year-old or someone with no experience.
Yeah, sure, man.
And then I saw the list of programs. It looks very where is it? Uh, where is it? I just saw it. Oh, here it is. List of paid software.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's exactly what I was looking for. So it's definitely it's less than $200. It might be like, I think the one that we don't know, it's Netlify.
Yeah, we don't know how Netlify will be once users start using the app daily.
Okay.
So
And
we'll have
AWS.
AWS. I'm not sure if we have anything. I mean, I'll have to look into that one myself because I don't see any references to anything we're using on AWS. Um,
I'll
but
send you
there's
the
so much
email.
code here. I'll look. What's you'll send it to me?
Yeah, I'll send you the email. Let me see
Okay,
if I
cool.
can actually do it now. Yeah, my bandwidth is a little slow.
Yep. So that's about. Yeah, I would say that covers it for right now, at least. If I anything else comes up, I'll add it in here.
All right.
Okay.
Forward to what email? The Amazon
Uh,
thing that I got.
Eugene at Faster Drivers.
Okay. I forward to you. Take a look at it. You might need access to it. I have a.
Let me take a look. Sure, I have access.
Yeah, I want to see if you have access because I'll show you what I see.
Okay, I got the forward. Okay, so free tier for account expires on February 28th. Anything turning on the active search with charges. Let's see. We already be able to make services on the 12 month. Yeah, I don't even know that you have any active resources.
When
You
I
giving
click
me access
when I
here?
click on the billing and cost management board, I think that's where it's because that's where it's telling me to go. This
Mhm.
is what I see. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, I don't know.
Well, you never logged in here before?
I have, I was in, let me see. I think I did it root user partners at fasterdrivers.com. Um, verification. Okay, I'm in. So in this case, like this is what I mean. I can give you access to this. If you can tell me where I can add you.
Let's scroll down a bit.
What happened?
Just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, I'll send you instructions on how to add me. Scroll down on your actual the right side of the screen. I don't see any. So, yeah, let me send you the email you those instructions right now. Scroll back up on the right side of your page. Click on your settings icon down in the free tier offers and use section. So it's still going to be off to your right, just in the second section.
This one?
Yeah.
Preferences?
I can't see that menu. Can you click on one of the services? No.
No.
Scroll all the way to your right. All right. Now I just wanted to see something really quickly. What options were there? Thank you.
Because I think we are using something. It says right here that we are. Or it's forecasted. I don't know. Yeah, I already got two responses for the job posting for sales agent.
Out in Mexico.
No, no, no. US.
Nice. Is it you made a commission based post or just a regular one?
Uh, like it's commission. Like the breakdown that we had, $100.
Nice.
So now that you posted that information, and if Indeed is not on the list of programs, I'll add it to it because I mean free is good. I'm not gonna complain. But if it does seem that it help us set it up, make it even more clearer, because I did ask the operator, they're like, oh, to set up that style, you need to pay for it,
Gotcha.
and it's standard. It is expensive. I don't know. It's $36 a day. Oy.
$36 a day.
Yeah. I mean, we can run it for how many do you think we would need?
Oh, I mean the salespeople.
Yeah, how many cells?
Uh, well,
We can run it until we get to 12.
yeah.
Okay, let me jump back here.
Yeah, we don't have to use Indeed. It's just what we've been using. So yeah, I would say if we need to, if it's worth it, then we can put some money there. But there's other options that we can kind of look into first.
Okay, I'm in the my let me jump on my other computer for those instructions. So I am already in the IAM user AWS Management Console. This is it, right? This whole thing is the console.
Yeah.
On the search bar at the top, type AIM and select it.
Or actually, yeah, there you go.
And then okay. So it wants me to select this, right? On the left sidebar or here.
Um, select the service.
Select what?
Select the service.
AIM.
Yeah. So yeah.
Get started. Don't show again. Remind me later. Or just exit.
We just exit and look for users.
There it is. Yeah, Christian is here. Create user. Username.
Username. It's in the instruction.
Huh?
It's in the instructions.
No, I know. Which one do you want?
It's in the instructions. I told you.
Oh,
It says it right there. So SE access cleanup.
SC access cleanup. Next, right? SC access cleanup.
Mhm. Yeah.
Permission options.
Yeah. Make sure I have access to the AWS management console.
It's, at least I don't see the one that you're asking for here. Provide user access to the AWS Management Console. This is what I see on my side. Copy permissions, attach policies directly, and add user to group. Select, I want to create a name here.
Go to attach policies directly.
Attach policies directly.
Mhm. Now, so search for access to AWS Management Console, or just search for AWS Management Console. I think this is a little bit outdated. Yeah, this is a little bit outdated.
Mm-hmm.
So click back on assign to group. And then click on next.
Next.
The password, constant password type. Scroll down. Okay, scroll back up. Go to previous. And then oh, it kicks you out.
Yeah.
Okay, go back and create user.
Provide user access to the AWS Managed Console right here.
And check that. Click. I want to create an IAM user.
Custom password.
Yes.
The same one. I am.
Yes.
I am
Use.
the faster. What was it? I am the faster dev 500 money sign.
Yes. Can you uncheck users must create a new password at next sign in?
Yeah. I am the faster dev 500 money sign. I put it in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Next.
Yeah.
Next.
Uh,
Create user.
hold on. Go. Yeah, it's create user.
Did I mess up here? Just look at what I wrote SC access, but underscore.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, okay. Just
So
wanted
just
to
create me. You'll go back in once you create me.
create user. Okay.
Okay, now console sign on URL, all of that information. Give me 1 second now.
You want me to email you? Email sending instructions?
Yeah. And then when you're done, go to view user.
Okay. It's going to Eugene at Faster Drivers.
Okay.
Eugene. Message sent. Okay. Return to users list or view user.
View user.
View. What should I do?
Oh,
Download.
yeah, download it. Yeah, okay.
Desktop. Okay. All right.
Okay, view user, scroll up, go to add permissions.
Add permissions again.
Yeah. Attach policies directly. In the search box, type in administrator access.
There it is.
Select that one. And then you're gonna select or type in billing.
This one.
Just billing, yep. And that's it.
That's it.
Yep.
Next.
Yep. Add permissions. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So, let's see. Services. Business services. Issues. Yeah, the operational issues. I can't really see anything in here. Yeah, other additions, area cost management. Month to date cost, budget status of required cost breakdown, and alternate billing content.
You're actually seeing it?
No, it's a lot of it is not available.
Do you need more access?
I'm trying to see. I think I might. Making sure.
I'll stop sharing so you can stop sharing.
Um, I have some more instructions for you whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
So go into your account settings by clicking on your account name.
Give me 1 second. Let me share with you my screen so you can. Okay. Go where?
Go to your account settings by clicking your account name in the top right corner and select your account. And now find billing access. So scroll down to the section called I am user enroll access. Might have to scroll. Let's see.
Right here.
There you go. So it's currently deactivated. So click edit
Let it.
and activate it and update. Okay. So it's all finished.
What happened?
So it's all done.
I'm having a hard time hearing you. Just to let you know.
I said, is it all finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let me log out and log back in to confirm.
Your AIM access settings was updated successfully.
Yeah, I'll give it a little bit of time to propagate as far as the changes. But that's no worry. So yeah, the Amazon thing, I'll keep track of that and get it figured out. If I need more access, then I'll send you more instructions via email.
Okay.
But I don't want to waste too much more time on it right now. Let's see, what else did we have to? Oh, there we go. Costs. I see free services. I don't see any costs from any of the services, so I'm not sure if they're not up, which I don't think they are. So costs, let me see. You don't have it, yeah. So you don't. That's just something. That's just because your free tier is ending, but you don't have anything that is actually being used. I see 3 active services, but data transfer, Elastic Compute Cloud. So this is running, but I'm not sure if we're connected to this. Let me see, look at analytics. Are we making connections here? Cost Explorer, let me go back. All services. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything, man. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. But like I said, I'll take ownership of this now. So it's
Yeah.
now I have access. I'm the CTO, so I'll take ownership of it, make sure that there's nothing that is gonna charge us from here.
Okay.
Oh man. Okay. What else? Let me see. So yeah, man. I just wanted to clear with you that I'm going to just pretty much the next steps for me. I had a document I wanted us to kind of go through and work on.
Yeah.
We don't have to take the time to work on it right now. It's pretty much the same thing we've been kind of going over. These past couple of days. Let me just pull it up here really quickly. But it's pretty much the same exact thing we've been kind of going over. If I can find it. So this document was it was called the restaurant activation document. So the whole point was to pretty much set a goal of when we were going to actually like launch, and I think we already set that for April 2nd to the 9th or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like what we're aiming for. So from a tech side, this is kind of what I'm looking to have done by that time, right? And then maybe even more. So a restaurant can sign up or log in. Restaurant can create an order, even if it's a test order. Driver can accept the order and complete the order. Order lifecycle updates reliably. Basic admin visibility. I don't think basic admin visibility. So I have to ensure that we have that. Test environment confirmed. We have that. Payments. So we have the Stripe Live and the Stripe Bypass for testing working. And our known issues are on the Trello board, so our sales team knows what to avoid, or you know what to avoid over promising on, right? Because you understand what the app can do in its current state. And the current status is the end-to-end flow works with the Stripe Bypass. The restaurant can add and use their own restaurant, and most of the bugs have been fixed. So I wanted to go over some remaining tech to-dos from my side, and also on your side. I had a list of things here. So target list prepared is one of them. So 20 to 50 restaurants. Let me put this up on my screen so you can see it actually.
Yeah.
I know you're a reader. I want that. Okay. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so we've already kind of gone over the tech side, which is mostly done. Now on the sales side, which is CEO owned, there was a target list of 20 to 50 restaurants that we want to pretty much essentially target, right?
Mm-hmm.
Outreach script ready. I believe you have your outreach script for, I'm not sure if you have one for DMs or emails, but I know you have one for calling.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
I think I just made the one for DM. I'll add it to that.
okay, nice. Yeah, make sure you have one for all three tracks, email, DM, and you already have one for phone. So, and then offering clear pricing pilot terms. So we already kind of have that in our pitch, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
Demo booking link is ready. We have the demo link. We have 2 different environments they can use to test.
Mm-hmm.
Tracking system in place. So I think you already have a way to, you're already kind of tracking restaurants and everything like that. Goal for the week. So what is, so, oh yeah, I wanted to mention this too. So you're not actually, in this stage, you're not actually looking to close restaurants like yourself.
Yeah.
You're pretty much looking to book demos, right? Because if you can get them on a 15 to 30 minute to 45 to hour long call for a demo,
Mm-hmm.
we can essentially we can both close them
Yeah.
on that call, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
you set up the demo, I come in, I do my thing, you introduce me or whatever, you introduce me, introduce the business. I come in on the tech side and we both kill it, right? Show them the tech, show them the app. And I think that that'll be our way of how we actually get, our first couple of restaurants, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's easy to book demos, right? It's easy to say, yeah, we just want to get some time to show you what we have so you can determine, if it'll be a good fit or not, rather than us trying to pitch them and get them to sign up right away. So what do you think is a good goal for the week as far as demos that we can realistically get booked and restaurants we can get started using the app?
It's starting when? Like tomorrow?
Um, as far as restaurants starting
Yeah.
using the app,
No, like booking. Go for the week.
Oh, yes, starting right now, pretty much, yeah, for this
I'm
week.
gonna I'm gonna say I'm gonna try to do at least one per day. I mean, I don't know if that sounds ambitious or my track record's not gonna back that up, but that would be that could I could since I'm not selling, so like, hey, we just want to book your demo, show you how it works. That's actually the next video I'm gonna post today. Is like try to uh, how the flow goes from restaurant, customer, and driver, um, and segment them. So like, and I'm tagging the restaurants, especially on this Instagram. So I'm gonna follow up with them and be like, hey, we're just trying to book you a demo on this on our MVP. We need at least half an hour, maybe, and then it should at least one per day.
Yeah, I think that's doable for sure.
And I'm not selling, like you said, that's not selling. It's more like we just need your give us 30 minutes of your time, your attention, and we can show them. Because that's the thing. Like the main thing I'm trying to get to them to see is the cost. Be like, look, real prices, no no hidden fees, no extra fees. Um, on your side, you're paid. You're collecting this much because that's what you always do. Uh, you don't see the Stripe right now because it's on test, but you'll see the customer pays for the credit card and the driver gets their part, which is their delivery fee plus tips. That's it. And then start getting them the idea of like if we scale this, like think about it. We're fighting basically for like $23. I was doing like the average. I think it's like about the with the 30% increase that restaurants add to their product plus all the service fees, yada yada yada. It can go all the way to $23, 23 or 13. But there, it's a big chunk of money, and over a period of time, that's what like we don't know the volume of the restaurants, but that's like money that they could be using to hire, buy more stuff. You know, it's a nice chunk of change. So I'll
Mm.
put that the financials here too. But that's the biggest difference. That's where we need to get them. And your part, like you said, is like, no, my side is seeing the layout, upgrading it, maintaining it, um, and that should help us close to the point where. And I'm the MVP doesn't have to have all the bells and whistles. Just the main thing right now is showing them the order goes from restaurant customer driver and payment goes through exactly like we say it does. Then one restaurant a day
Right.
is good. Yeah.
And you know what too, I was gonna add on the bells and whistles, it's not like we're so far away from the bells and whistles,
Hmm.
because I can demo from just like, let's say for example, today we decide, hey, what is some feature that would really make restaurants just like fall in love with the app? Let's say for example, they come to our app and they enter their restaurant name and it like automatically signs them up, right? It gets their menu, imports it automatically, signs them up, and all they have to do is go and check their email to confirm. So a feature like that or something similar or something that's like, really extravagant, that's something that can be created in like a day or in like not even a day or two, in like a couple of hours
Yeah.
and used for like our demos, right? So we don't have to demo the version that we have now that I gave you.
Uh-huh.
We can demo a version that's much more extravagant that we haven't necessarily pushed up into test flight or the web app yet,
Yeah.
but that I've been experimenting with, right? So that's the benefit of, me having, the machine I have. And so, all we got to do is book demos and use our technology to wow them, right?
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
so yeah,
Yeah, and actually, if you like you mentioned, if you can make that demo, make it post it like, or what do you think? Making a demo so that we can post it. They're like, this is what the app will look like.
yes.
That would be crazy good. That would be amazing. It'd be like,
Um,
look, we are here, but this is where we're gonna get at because of the skill set. the persons that we have involved in the project can make this a reality with your uh, first after the demo or after they sign up with your subscription. You help us get there.
That's right. I was gonna say too on that, we should do that every single day. Like getting back to your idea of like making the recordings of some of our meetings.
Yeah.
Because I really what I'm supposed to be doing with you is in our daily syncs, I'm supposed to start off by demoing what the current state looks like so you can see where the app is at its current state and what I'm playing with, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I kind of go through the changes, I go through what's been changed, et cetera, et cetera. So if we can record that during our 15-minute syncs,
Yeah.
that would be good because then we can just we can send restaurants a week's log of like, look, here is every single video of our meetings that we did every single day this
Yep.
week.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see all the different phases of the app and how far we've come from Monday to Friday.
That's very good. I think that would be great because that would give them a more like credibility and see something that's like, okay, this is we can use it, like have it in their hands. It's like, okay, yeah, he says he can log in. Okay, boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, I can log in. And they go in and they see the work that we present, and they can see it on their phones. Oh, okay, yeah, this is how they said they would look like, and it does. So I think we should do that, definitely. 15 minutes, and then use that throughout the day for content. I can use it on my side, uh, on my posting it. So yeah, that would be that'd be amazing.
Yeah, let's do that. So tomorrow, let's actually start that. I'm gonna put that on our daily on our schedule card, the daily schedule.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna add a comment to make sure we record that meeting. Because when we record the meetings, I like to make sure that, because sometimes, I don't want to be like coming down hard on you on a meeting. So sometimes, you know what I mean? So
Yeah,
sometimes I don't want them to be recorded.
it's okay.
So I want to, so that's why I say let's make sure when we record them, make sure it's more structured.
All right.
But yeah, man, that's a good idea. Yeah, I'm ready for that for tomorrow. I think, and like I said, it'll double as like a content machine as well, so we don't have to focus on creating content. That will be the content.
Yeah, and
So
then that's a double. So we get the money from my brother-in-law, my sister. We wow these restaurants, and they're like, yeah, sure, let's sign me up. 365, 365, 365, 365. And we still bring in the sales agents to help us amplify that reach, but that 365 that goes straight to us. Like, well, the 60 always goes to you, but for me, it's like I have money to play around. If we need, again, we need to put back into the system. We need to cover some bills. We can take that 149 and put it back into the our costs, our expenses.
that's right, my man.
All right, so yeah, I want to see that demo. Like, I'm really excited about that one.
Which one?
Anything like our first demo video, basically.
So yeah, let's when do you want to make that? Do you want to make it tonight with whatever state I have
Yeah,
currently?
yeah. I'll let you
Okay.
set up and we can jump back again.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make a couple of YouTube videos.
Okay.
Just get caught up on that, and I have some to make for faster drivers too.
Okay.
And let's jump back on in like hour and a half.
Let's make it two.
Two. Sounds good.
Guys. All right, good. Good. All right, man. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye.